In the profit and loss analysis graph of an option, similar to that of a share, we encounter an x-axis and a y-axis. These axes serve as vital indicators of the potential outcomes associated with the option position. The x-axis on the graph represents the price of the underlying asset, which in our example is Apple stock. It provides a visual representation of the range of possible stock prices that may occur during the option's lifespan. Each point along the x-axis corresponds to a specific price level of the underlying stock. Conversely, the y-axis on the graph indicates the potential profit or loss associated with the option position. It reflects the monetary gain or loss that the option holder may experience based on the movement of the underlying stock price. As the stock price fluctuates, the position's profit or loss changes accordingly, with higher or lower values along the y-axis. In addition to the x and y-axes, two critical points on the graph deserve attention. Firstly, the red dot positioned at point 0 on the y-axis signifies the break-even point of the option position. At this point, the profit or loss of the option position is 0, indicating that the position neither gains nor loses money. Secondly, the dashed vertical line extending from the x-axis marks the current price of Apple stock. This line provides a reference point, allowing traders to quickly assess how the current stock price aligns with potential profit or loss outcomes on the graph. Understanding the components of the profit and loss analysis graph of an option is essential for options traders, as it enables them to evaluate the risk and reward profile of their positions and make informed trading decisions based on changing market conditions.